Ciao ragazzi, questa è una listening, pagina 86, 86, and number 4 and 5. Okay, I start.
Exercise 4.
That was a great meal. It was. It was really tasty. Much better than the Mexican last week. I didn't like that at all. Anyway, I suppose we should go.
Yeah, let's ask for the bill.
Do you pay at the till?
No, you just leave the money on the table.
Should we leave a tip?
Let me see how much money I've got in my wallet. I'm a bit broke at the moment.
Oh, come on, Leon. You've got loads of coins and notes in your wallet. And you've got a credit card if you want to pay for us too.
You're the one with the savings, Hannah.
I wish. I had to ask my dad for a loan the other day because I went to the cash machine and my bank balance was in the red. That's because you buy too many clothes. How many new dresses did you buy last year? And you bought a new watch and some cargo pants the other day. Yeah, I know. You're right. I just love shopping.
Sounds like you need to save a bit more money, Hannah. So I say no tip.
Liam, the waitress was really good. Let's leave her a few coins.
Okay.